Don't do it, brother. The coconut oil in the milk is not to heat. Thank you very much for your comment. All right, let me respond to this, and I'm going to respond using the lens of a chemist. Now, if you look at the fatty acid profile of coconut oil, you will find these major oils, and what we call oils is really fatty acids. All right, fatty acids, and these are the common fatty acids found in coconut oil. You have capric acid, which is an 8 carbon acid. You have caprylic acid, which is a 10 carbon acid. You have lauric acid, which is predominantly found in coconut oil, which is a 12 carbon acid. So you have these 8, 10, and 12 carbon acids. They are called medium chain fatty acids. Now, these medium chains, like I said, lauric acid is the oil that is the fatty acid that is found in the highest percentage in coconut oil. It's about 49% of coconut oil is lauric acid. And lauric acid is a 12 carbon fatty acid. And it is a polysaturated fatty acid, meaning that it lacks double bond. It has no double bond. And because it has no double bond, it cannot be attacked by free radical, hence it will not go rancid when heated or exposed to light. So majority of the fatty acids in coconut oil is lauric acid. Lauric acid is a medium chain fatty acid. It is also a polysaturated fatty acid. That means it is not heat sensitive. However, coconut oil contains other long chain fatty acids such as oleic acid, which is a omega-6 fatty acid. It contains linoleic acid, which is a omega-6 and 9 fatty acids. Now, because these fatty acids are omega-6 and omega-6 and 9, which means they have a double bond in the 6th position coming from the methyl group, or they have a double bond at the 6th position and the 9th position coming from the methyl group. Now, because of the presence of double bonds, these compounds, these fatty acids, can be attacked by free radical or heat or light, and in essence go rancid. But we want to be very mindful that in coconut oil, oleic acid, linoleic acid, these are found in very, very low concentration, 6 and 8%. And so they are buried predominantly by the stearic acid, the lauric acid, and the other important acids in coconut oil. And this is why coconut oil will appear as a liquid and sometimes as a solid depending on the temperature, because of the mixture of the fatty acids, predominantly polysaturated fatty acids and very little saturated fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acid. And it is the unsaturated fatty acid, which is oleic acid and linoleic acid. It is these two fatty acids that actually give coconut oil its tint color. Otherwise, it would be colorless. All right. So I hope this helps. Coconut oil is an oil that is very heat tolerant. It can take heat up to 250 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect oil to use to cook, but I still do not recommend that you boil your oil. See, so if I'm making my rundown with my mushroom, you have to understand that cooking is chemistry, and you have to understand what type of chemistry I will be embarking on. I don't cook like everybody else. I understand temperature, I understand enzyme, I understand heat, and I understand how to combine foods. All right. But thank you very much for that comment.